if you work a 9 to 5 job, or if you work a really intense job, you might not have time to manage your money, and that's okay. Or you might need a hands-off strategy. Let's say you do have lots of time and you're really interested in the market, then maybe you want to be more engaged and you need a different platform. And maybe hiring somebody to make financial decisions for you is not your best bet and won't bring you ahead. So you need to be realistic about this, because it takes a lot of time and energy to babysit your portfolio. So if you aren't engaged in these concepts, then it's okay to delegate that. Totally great. And it's also a good idea to pick investments that you can keep up to and that you can follow. And that means the same thing. Like if you have statements, like make sure you read your statements and know what you're investing in. Be comfortable with what you're investing in. So that's what I recommend. And it's served me well over the years.